Extreme Nose Sebum Removal Oil Extraction Deep Pore Cleaning Close-Up, Oil. It builds up slowly, layer by layer, until the nose starts to feel heavy, shiny on the surface, but clogged underneath. Today, we are performing extreme nose sebum removal, and what comes out of these pores is intense. What is sebum? Sebum is natural oil, produced by the skin. It helps protect and moisturize the surface, but when too much is produced, it begins to collect inside the pores. Why the nose gets oily? The nose has more active oil glands. This means more sebum production, faster buildup, higher chance of clogged pores. Over time, this leads to blackheads and greasy skin. Step 1. Surface oil removal. We begin by cleansing the surface. This removes excess oil from the top layer of the skin. Step 2. Steam softening. Steam is applied to soften the oil inside the pores. This step is important for smooth extraction. Step 3. Sebum extraction begins. Now the extraction starts. As pressure is applied, thick sebum begins to release from inside the pores. Step 4. Heavy oil removal. Main satisfaction. Now we move to the most congested area. Multiple pores release oil, one after another. This creates a continuous, satisfying flow. Step 5. Full nose detox. All pores are cleaned completely. This reduces excess oil, clogged buildup, greasy texture. Step 6. Skin balancing. After extraction, the skin is balanced. Hydration is applied to control oil production. Final transformation. Before, oily, clogged pores. Shiny surface. After, clean, smooth, balanced skin. The difference is visible. Final message. Oil is natural, but too much oil creates problems. When it's removed properly, your skin feels lighter and cleaner. If you enjoyed this extreme nose sebum removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.